welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a new hairstyle. I have to do cornrows first. So this is my first time doing cornrows. I can see they're looking good and different. So the style I'm doing is Havana curls, style number 230, and I'm crocheting the braids, and this is one of the new. This is my first time, but I saw somewhere this is how you should do it so that it can look natural. So that's how you style it. Not styling it, that's how you do the braid. Start by inserting it from the front, and then now we're doing it. Now you're tying it up, and now you have to secure it by using the back braid, that one. Then that's just it. And now you insert the second braid right next to the front one, so that now you can secure the first set, so that it can look nice and it doesn't look unnatural even when you want to comb it down and style it. So we're going to do a few more demonstrations. So you pull it from the back that way, and also as you're doing this you have to prep the the curls. You can use gel or mousse so that they don't tangle as you're doing it. And now we'll continue by do the securing part of it, so that way. And then now we go on to the next side. We do now the next part, that one just behind it. So we insert our crochet hook and enter it, and then now we secure it that way by the first loop and then tying it so that it doesn't slide up, because I realized the braids are really slippery. So when you're crocheting it, it's not something you want to do that way. You want to just crochet once. You have to do it several times, so that it can stick and not get pulled out while you're styling it. So that was the first part of it. Now we can move on to the next. A few hours later, I'm done with half of my head. Most of the cornrows are done. I'm left with the other half. And looking at it, it's starting to look up. I'm so excited as I do it, because it's my first time and the inspo is actually giving. Look at the back, the way it's so full, and that's what we're left with. And finally I'm done, and as you can see, the curls are literally glowing. It's nighttime when I was taking these photos, and you can see the shine, the colors, and I really can't wait to style it based on the outfits I'm wearing and the places I'm going. I want to see how long it lasts. Otherwise, overall, I used only one pack, and this is how it looks, and the bulkiness is giving. Bye guys.